Are you ready to discover the secrets of a thriving vegan diet? Get ready to dive into the world of proper nutrition on a plant-based journey like never before. In today's video, we unveil the key to unlocking your health and vitality through the power of vegan nutrition. Stay tuned. Welcome back, health enthusiasts. My name is Jacob and this is Vegan Life. Today, we're here to discuss a topic that has the potential to transform your life: the importance of proper nutrition on a vegan diet. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just starting out, understanding how to nourish your body is crucial for optimal health and well-being. So, let's jump right in. But before we continue, I ask you please leave your like and subscribe to the channel, because this way you will help the vegan community a lot and will receive content like this every day, which are made to help you on your journey. Before we delve into the specifics, let's establish the foundations of vegan nutrition. A well-planned vegan diet can provide all the essential nutrients your body needs, including protein, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. By focusing on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, grains, nuts, and seeds, you can create a balanced plate that fuels your body effectively. It's important to understand that a vegan diet isn't just about eliminating animal products. It's about embracing a diverse range of plant-based foods to ensure you're getting a wide array of nutrients. Remember, variety is key. Now, let's explore some key nutrients to pay attention to on a vegan diet. One of the most common concerns is protein. Contrary to popular belief, there are plenty of plant-based sources that can fulfill your protein needs. Think lentils, tofu, tempeh, quinoa, and edamame, just to name a few. But protein is just the beginning. Don't forget about the power of vitamins and minerals. Vitamin B12, for example, is essential for vegans as it primarily comes from animal-based sources. Ensure you're supplementing or incorporating B12 fortified foods to meet your requirements. And I have an advice for you: ready to explore the delicious world of vegan cuisine? Don't miss out on our incredible book, packed with over 100 mouth-watering vegan recipes. Click the link in the description below to grab your copy today and embark on a flavorful journey towards a healthier, more compassionate lifestyle. Get inspired, get cooking, and let the magic of plant-based cooking unfold in your kitchen. Don't wait, start creating your own culinary masterpieces now. And let's not overlook iron, calcium, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D. With proper planning, you can easily obtain these vital nutrients from plant-based sources, making your vegan journey a nutritious one. Now that we understand the importance of key nutrients, let's talk about meal planning. Planning your meals in advance ensures you're meeting your nutritional needs consistently. It's all about creating balanced, delicious, and satisfying meals that nourish your body. Aim for a colorful plate, incorporating a variety of vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and healthy fats. Experiment with different cooking methods and flavors to keep your meals exciting and enjoyable. And don't forget to listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. If you're new to veganism or have specific dietary concerns, consulting with a registered dietitian can be incredibly helpful. They can provide personalized guidance, ensuring you're meeting your nutritional goals and addressing any potential deficiencies. Proper nutrition on a vegan diet is essential for vibrant health and overall well-being. By embracing a plant-based lifestyle and incorporating a variety of nutritious foods, you can nourish your body, protect the environment, and support animal welfare. So, whether you're a seasoned vegan or considering making the switch, remember to prioritize your health and make conscious choices that align with your values. Together, let's create a better world one delicious and nutritious vegan meal at a time. And if you want to know all the steps needed to start a vegan lifestyle, I made a great video on the subject and will leave it on the final screen and also in the description of this video here. Do not forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel to stay on top of everything I will share here from Monday to Friday. A big hug and thank you.